This is a short little video about how sunk costs affect decisions involving opportunity costs and how to think about benefits when factoring in sunk costs. And in this situation, you're going to be thinking about two different concerts and which concert you want to attend. But there's a little hiccup in your decision-making process here. First thing, let's talk about concert number one. Concert number one, you are thinking about going to concert number one and you decide you're going to go to concert number one and you're going to buy a ticket. And the reason why you're going to buy a ticket to concert number one is because you think that it will give you a benefit of $60. And again, when we think about benefits in dollar amounts, it's a strange concept. What we're talking about here is what is the most amount of money that you would pay to go to that concert. And the most amount that you would pay would be $60. Fortunately for you, the concert is only going to cost you $50 to attend, which means that your net benefit of going to this concert is $10. That's a pretty good deal. Remember from previous assignments, we take the benefit minus the cost, and that gives us our net benefit of $10. Great. You're all ready to go to the concert. You have your ticket. Your ticket's non-refundable, but you don't care because you're going to get a benefit from this concert. However, after you buy that ticket, you find out there's going to be a second concert, a different band. Another band is going to be playing a concert. That's concert number two. And concert number two, you really like this band. And so concert number two, you're thinking, hey, I really want to go to it. So much so that you expect the benefit of concert number two to be $70, $10 more than concert number one. More of a kick in the teeth is the fact that concert number two, the tickets for that are only $45. You realize that, wow, if I went to this concert, I get a benefit of $70, I'd only have to pay $45. Wow, that's going to give me a net benefit of $25. You can see here, with this net benefit of $25, concert number two is looking pretty good. Here's the catch though. You already paid the $60 for concert number one. What should you do? Should you forget about concert number one and go to concert number two, which will give you a higher amount of net benefit? How to conceive of what's going on here? Well, this is where this idea of sunk costs come in. Because from where we stand right now, and this is the big concept of sunk costs, is you have to make economic decisions based on the reality that you're facing right now. You can't go back and change the past. The past is the past. You already bought this ticket. The problem is that this ticket is no longer worth $50 to you. Here's the question to ask yourself. You've already paid the $50, haven't you? That $50 is gone. Can you get this $50 back? The answer is no. One way to look at this, from where you stand right now, already having bought the ticket to concert number one, is the cost of this concert is now effectively zero. You basically have a free ticket because you've bought the ticket and you can't get the money back. That basically what you have is a piece of paper. And that piece of paper can only get you one thing, which is admittance to concert number one. I know you're thinking, I paid $50 for that, but that is gone. That's why it's considered sunk cost. It's spilled milk. It's no longer worth what it once was. The only way that you can get anything for this is to go to concert number one. But check this out. Once you factor this in as having a cost of zero now, being free to you, check out what happens to the benefit. The benefit now is no longer $10. The net benefit is $60. There is no more cost. The net benefit of going to concert number one is $60. You're going to basically go and enjoy all $60 of benefit now. And so suddenly you see concert number 2, yeah, that might have an overall higher benefit, but once you factor in the cost of getting that additional ticket, it only has a benefit of $25. So in this situation, right, once you recognize the reality of some cost, the past is the past, you can't get it back, that thing you once paid money for, you can't get that money back. All you can do is go to the concert and collect the benefit. Well, in that case, you should go to concert number 1.